Hello guys, we are going to be going on my new e-bike today to 7-Eleven around my neighborhood. And everything else. So yeah, I'll be switching y'all over to the GoPro and I'll see y'all later. Right now we're on the e-bike, about to head to we're about to head to 7-Eleven right now. And it's actually really nice to head to 7-Eleven because oh shoot, I didn't even tell my dad. Hang on guys, I gotta tell my dad. It's almost 2 o'clock and it is 54 degrees out. I'm not too sure if that's correct or not. It's so cold, like really cold. Maybe y'all would like to see the bike a little bit, so let me try to fix my camera. After these two cars, I'll pull over, fix my camera. Riding and everything. Oh, and the dog is so cute. Oh my god, this thing guns it. Lady did not want to be seen.
Bold flavors of cafe con leche, vanilla, or dulce de leche. Grab your convenient on-the-go deal today. Available while supplies last at participating stores.
Yes. How much are these things? $2.86 or $89? Oh, I forgot to put on my riding gloves. Just gonna walk away from that. This bike makes you feel so free. Oh my gosh, I keep missing my turns. That is a bunch of cars. Okay, walk. Walk, walk. Why'd that guy look at me like that? Oh my gosh, Ow! Ow! Ow, I just hit a bump and it, oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, that hurts so bad. I do never want to go through that ever again. Yeah, I mean, you gotta check before you go, you know? Ah, that hurts so bad. Oh. Yeah, I heard they're gonna be mobilizing this and turning it into a pump. Mistakes, please comment down what I should do next time to make my video better. Around through the neighborhoods for a bit. We got a New Year's Eve party to get to tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking flying. Flying like a bird. I'm like a bird. I wanna fly away. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking zooming. Up. Let's go see what Cameron's doing real quick. So yeah, there is going to be 2 parts to this video, but it's going to be one whole long video. So yeah. And I have not checked it out with y'all, but here, I'll show y'all this bike real quick. Oh, can't get the kickstand down. But look at this e-bike. This thing is freaking nice. Back seat, front seat, battery, freaking phone holder. No bikes ever come with that.